Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let Laps Pro be your guide. At Laps Pro, we believe in the power of design. Our comprehensive graphic design course is perfect for aspiring designers just like you. Here, you don't just learn theory, you get hands-on experience with real-world projects. With expert instructors and cutting-edge software, you'll master everything from logo design to digital illustrations. Plus, our flexible schedules fit around your life, making it easier than ever to start your journey. And the best part, graphic design is one of the most in-demand skills today. Whether you want to freelance or work for top companies, your opportunities are endless. Imagine turning your passion into a lucrative career. With Laps Pro, it's not just a dream, it's your future. So why wait? Sign up for our graphic design course today and take the first step towards unlocking your earning potential. Laps Pro, where creativity meets opportunity.